So the next question in interview room, it may ask you, what is a read indirect write only variable in Java? Okay, what is read indirect write only static variable in Java, guys? Okay, before that, okay, before this question, we discuss what is read indirect and write only instance variable. Okay, this is read indirect and write only static variable in Java, guys. Okay, so now we already discussed somewhere, guys, as soon as class loaded into memory, guys, okay, by class loader, JVM follows following steps, guys. JVM follows following steps. First of all, it identifies static member. Okay. Then after initialization of static member, static variables or execution of static block, guys. Okay. So any one of them, guys. Okay. Whichever it will find first. So it will either execute static block or it will perform initialization. Okay. And the third step, okay, after these are two steps, okay, it will start the execution of main method, guys. Okay, let's say I write one static variable here, guys. Okay, static. Okay, static in A. But before that, we write one static block. Before that, we write static block. From static block, suppose we try to read the value of A, we will get an error, guys, because, okay, because the type of this before initialization, the type of this variable, okay, is read indirect and write only. So hence, we will indirectly, okay, we will indirectly read the value of A, guys. So hence we are going to call show method, and show method I will write at here, public static void show. Okay. So static variable we are reading from static method, and then that statement we will write here, guys. Okay. Static block, static variable and static method, guys. Okay. So we are indirectly reading the value of A, guys. Okay. We cannot read the value of A directly. Okay. Because until and unless this A doesn't get initialized, okay, till then that variable is read indirect and write only. Okay. Now then after we will write PSVM. Okay, public static void main, guys. Okay. Now s out we will say main method. Okay. Now you will see, guys, you will get one output. Okay. What it will, we will write here a static block, guys. Okay. Now right click and run file. You will see, guys, static block value of A is 0 and then main method, guys. Okay. Let's discuss with some with the example, guys. Okay. Like okay, I will copy this and I will paste it at here. Okay. Now, so the first step JVM will follows. Okay, what the JVM will follows? JVM will identify static members of a class. JVM will identify static members of a class. This is the static member, guys. This is the static member. Okay, this is the first static member. Okay, this is the second static member, guys. Okay, this is the second static member. Now, while identifying the static member, okay, A will allocate memory somewhere. Okay, and then A will initialize with 0. Okay, and then its a type will be read indirect and write only. We can indirectly read the value of A, but we cannot directly read the value of A, guys. Okay, read indirect and write only. Then this is again third static member. Okay, this is third static member, guys. Okay, first this one will be second, guys. This one will be second. This one will be third. Okay, and this one will be fourth, guys. Okay, because main is again a static method. So now, okay, this is the fourth one, guys. Then after, okay, it will follow second step, either the execution of static block or initialization of static variables. So now it will execute this one. This is the fifth. Okay. So now we will get output static block, and then from static block we are calling which method? Show method. Okay, show method will display the value of A. And what is the value of A? Value of A is 0. So hence, okay, after this execution, we are calling which method? Show method. And the show method going to display the value of A. Hence, we are getting, okay, hence we will get, okay, what the output we will get static block and the value of a is 0. Now, then after it will initialize a with a 10 guys. Okay, so now on the place of 0 there will be 10 guys. Okay, and then after initialization this variable will change as a read and write variable guys. Read and write variable. Okay, so now this will be the 6th guys. Okay, and then after okay, at 7th step, okay, it will start the execution of main method guys. Okay, because after after initialization of static variable or execution of static block, okay, it will start the execution of main method guys. Got it? So hence we will get this output guys. Got it? So this is called read indirect and write only variable. Okay, and then after suppose we create object. Like we suppose create question. Okay, question 75. Okay, question 75 object. So now once again, okay, it will what it will perform. It will perform these steps after this. Okay, identify instance member, then installation of instance variable, and then execution of constructor guys. Okay, so now you can write this point, okay, at this position. Okay, like suppose we create object. Okay, I will say suppose we create object for, okay, object for class. Okay, so now at 4th step it will perform this one. Okay, at 6th step, at 5th step it will perform this one, and then at the 6th step, okay, it will perform this one guys. Got it? So this is the read indirect and write only variable guys. Okay, thank you.